Okay, check this out guys. So what we got here is a Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a 2018 model, and what we've done is we've installed the Starline M66 V2. Now this system is a Immobiliser, phone call notification and tracking system. So you got a full app included with this. Now if a thief gets in the vehicle, they will not be able to start the vehicle because they will not have this tag. So use this tag to turn the system off by pressing the button, and when you press it, it will allow you to start the vehicle. What's going to happen is if the thief gets in the vehicle and they're trying to start it without the tag, it will call you on your phone to let you know that someone's going to start it. And also you can see where the vehicle is, tracker included. You can remotely control the Immobiliser using the phone app. You can remotely immobilize it and also turn the system off for garage use. If you want this Starline system M66 V2 installed on your Hyundai, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos and content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.